calling Holiday Express. I'm Slanga. Good morning. I'm a direct call.
Good morning, sir. I'm Agent 31962. I'm calling you from the Census Bureau. I just need a couple seconds to ask you a few questions for your country.
No problem.
So, is the hardest part of trying clothes on in a store trying not to let other people hear you crying?
Yeah, it is the hardest part, eh?
Do you sell your leftover medication on Gumtree?
No, I don't.
Is marriage just a reverse restraining order?
Not really. It's a commitment.
When you pull up to a car and the other driver is yawning, do you ever consider that they might be screaming?
Not really, yeah.
If nice guys finish last in a contest, would the nice guy have to come first or come last to win?
Must come first.
Did it take you a while to realize that you were a slow learner?
Sometimes, eh? Depending on the situation that I'm put in, you know.
Do you remember a time when wearing your pajamas outside meant that your house was on fire?
No, I don't. I can't remember that, eh?
Isn't it strange that things have changed so much over the past 4,000 years? Because 4,000 years ago, if you killed a lion and could fix people's teeth, you would have been the king of everything.
Absolutely, yeah.
Is your birth certificate an apology from the condom factory?
No, I don't think so.
So, do you miss the days of the TV show Police File, when we as a nation would come together once a week to snitch on each other?
Oh, definitely, I do miss that.
Would you have 2 ribs removed so that you could pet small dogs easier?
No, I wouldn't want to remove any of my ribs just to pet a dog. I love animals, though.
Is the worst part about a shark eating your legs off is realizing that you left your wallet in your pants?
Yeah, that's the worst part, eh?
And boom goes the dynamite. Oh, love it.